Hey friends, what's going on? Welcome back here. Hope everything goes well with you. And this is the new style for Nike SB Dunk low sneakers. And if you want this color, you can check on my web link and place the order there. And also we have many Nike SB Dunk low sneakers. Maybe if you want other styles, you can order. And if you got more orders, you can get more discount. And today, let me show this one. You can check the whole side with different colors. You can check the Nike shoes is the red color. Very beautiful. Have the pattern and the gray part, tambour leather, and then the purple part. You can see very beautiful. The last lock also is this part is the gray color, and the bottom midsole is the pure white. And turn to the back side, you can look on the top, got the Nike there. 3 kind colors on this pair. And the inner side got the same. About front, this purple part got the holes, pure white shoelace. Along the shoe arm is the dark blue. On the top, got Nike. The bottom is the red color. Okay. The inside, dark blue shoe part, white Nike shoes, and the back side of the shoe arm got the text. You can look the whole piece is very good. For the material is very good, and the workmanship also very good. For the quality, I'm sure it's the good one. So please don't worry about the quality. We always buy top quality sneakers because we care about long-time business. Okay, so if you want a copy one, please check on my web link beyondshop.ru. Thanks for watching.